Shamanettes, I'm Suzanne, the Beauty Shaman. I am a former Revlon Charlie girl, an international model, licensed esthetician, and celebrity makeup artist. So I started this channel because I really wanted to share with you my many years of experience. And in doing that, I decided that I was not going to use injectables or plastic surgery. And the reason for this is so that if I talk about a product, you can look at me and see that it works. Now, I'm not projecting this onto any of you. I know many of you use these kind of techniques to look your very best. And most of the talent that I work with, honestly, do as well. And I don't have any judgment around it. It's a choice that I have made because I wanted to be very clear and very upfront and honest about what I use, what I don't use, and that if I say it works, it in fact does work. There are many people, as you might know, on YouTube and other platforms like this promoting products while not being completely upfront about what they're actually doing. So here's what I believe about beauty, because all of this does, for me, it all works together. So beauty at its most basic, if you drill it down, is constant, aware renewal. That, for me, is the basics of beauty. This paradigm works with our entire being. Our skin, which is the health of our body, our soul, our spirit, and our mind. In truth, though, beauty has little to do with what we're basically fed every day, which is an unachievable standard of a wrinkle-free face and great boobs, right? Which it's not. I think intrinsically we know that. True beauty is about keeping your spirit renewed on a daily basis with what inspires you, and also taking care of your body in a way that honors your highest and best good. This is how I view all of you and how I view myself, about what is my highest and best good. What is yours? So I connect spirituality and beauty, and you can too. And in my opinion, it's through focusing on letting go of what doesn't work and reaching for what you want. Women, we have been taught for years not to want, but to give. And what I'm telling you now is that's a part of beauty, is letting go of what you don't want and reaching for what you want. The way out of the constant trap of self-doubt, self-loathing, and any form of negativity is, believe it or not, passion and curiosity. On this channel, I seek to discover and educate not only how to have great skin, but how to do makeup in a way that flatters you most, and to dress and care for your body in the most practical and beautiful way possible. So here's a couple questions that I'm going to leave you with. What renews your spirit? Maybe it's a walk in your garden, or laying on the grass and closing your eyes. Or maybe you're like a tea with a book that elevates you in some way. That's my favorite. Beauty and spirituality are connected. If you renew your spirit, you automatically help to renew your body. Whatever it is that brings you joy, that is what you need to do. At the time of the filming of this video, I'm 57 years old, and I've moved to Cuenca, Ecuador, so that I could focus on personal renewal. Here I spend more time in meditation, being outside, and sleep. Both my kids are in college, so yes, I am sleeping a lot more. I also run the Beauty Shaman blog and store from a greater place of peace and inspiration. What do you need to do today to make your life as good as it can possibly be? How can you renew your spirit and therefore your mind, your soul, and your body? Ask yourself this question: how good can it get?